So for this week, what you need to accomplish is you need to review your classmates' project and provide feedback. And that is in last week's block. And here would be our discussion exercise, and you will be doing the peer review because that is not due until the end of this week. So basically, you need to review 8 of your classmates' term projects, and in your reply, you just include your name, what you liked best about the project, and any kind of suggestions for improvements or enhancements. Once you get done with that, then you are going to upload your final project to GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, they are free. And here's the web address you can go to create your account. And then once you have an account, you need to create a repository for the final project and upload the project. And I do have a video showing you how to do that. But you can basically drag and drop your entire final project folder right onto GitHub. Once you have the repository and you have your final project in GitHub, then you need to click on the address bar, press Control-C to copy it, come into the assignment Dropbox, and paste the address. That way I will be able to go look at it and give you credit for doing it. After you complete that, you're going to either update your e-portfolio, or if you don't have one, you are going to create one. And these can be on any platform that you like. Most of the students are using LinkedIn, basically because they're familiar with it and they already have an account. If you don't have LinkedIn or any kind of account, it is really easy to meet this requirement using LinkedIn, and it is a professional resource for employers to find you. So I would recommend using LinkedIn. Required information that you need to have in your e-portfolio is your name, address, phone, and email. Any additional information is totally up to you. Professional information, you are going to want to link your GitHub into your LinkedIn or page or whatever e-portfolio you're using. And there's a couple different ways that you can include it. Under accomplishments, if you click the plus sign, you will see projects, and you can actually add it there. And then there would be a link to your repo. If you are doing your LinkedIn site only for school, then in the About section, you could actually put the information there. If you want it for a professional resource, then I would opt with putting it in as a project. And so I do have videos that kind of show you how to add it as a project. And then I have a video showing you how to just create a student page. Once you receive your certificates, it is really easy to connect them to LinkedIn, which is another reason why I encourage students to use it. And I can quick show you mine. Goodness sakes. Okay, so here's mine. And so in my About section, basically I have a professional summary. And then I've got basically my certifications. I just got this one, so that's why it's showing under activity. It's got all of my work experience, education, and then it gets into all the different certifications. And this is why I said, especially for developer students, you guys are going to be getting certifications in quite a few of your classes. So it is nice to be able to list them here when employers do searches for people with certain skill sets, your name will come up. So I highly recommend LinkedIn because you never know, you might get a job out of it. So anyway, that is the ePortfolio. Then I actually purchased a practice test for you guys, and it is an MTA practice test. And this is a Word document. And what you're going to want to do is work through the practice test. And so kind of answer it the best you can. For some of these, you may have to kind of click below and write in because a lot of these are graphics. Now here you may be able to do something with color, but for these ones that are graphics, you may have to key in the answer below. But you are going to want to go through and answer everything and then save it. And you're going to then upload this to the Dropbox. Once you upload it to the Dropbox, it does not matter to me, how many you got right or wrong. I will send you the answer keys so you can kind of self-correct the test. And I'll also give you 10 points extra credit. And there is quite a bit of value in going through the practice test just because you can see the types of questions that you're going to encounter on that MTA. And as far as the MTA goes, there is a separate video kind of showing you how to prepare for that test. And I would encourage you to watch it because it does talk about the exam objectives and how important it is that you look at those and that you know them.